What's poppin', everybody? So I was shopping on Black Friday, and our boy Filmington had put up some old versions of the high-end Rookie Explosion box uh, for a discount. Um, I asked the missus if I could get one. She said yeah. So here we are. This is the Rookie Card Explosion box, Volume 22, and we got 2012 updates. So you're looking for the Harper rookie card debut, 2019 Bowman Draft Jumbo, 2022 Bowman's Best, 2023 Chrome, Bowman Chrome, 2023 Chrome Sapphire. So these are all hobby packs, and put that over to the side, and we will see what we got. Michelle's table runner is like, I don't know, messing up. So we'll start with this one. It's a 10 card pack. Johnny Damon. I didn't know he was on the Indians. Matt Latos. Franklin Morales. Nathan Eovaldi. I guess that's a gold of, yep, Scott Downs. We got Bryce Harper. Golden Moments. Insert. The Golden Giveaway. Todd Father. Billy Butler. And Joe Nathan. Did I get two Joe Nathans in there? Nope. Nathan Eovaldi. Okay. So we did get this Harper Golden Moments. Going into 2019, Bowman Draft Jumbo. So we're looking for Corbin Carroll, Rushman, Gunnar Henderson, Josh Young, C.J. Abrams, George Kirby, Vaughn, Stott, Green, and Steer. Alright, so the Chromes are in the middle here, so we will pull these from the back. And we got Bryce Terang, Connor Capel, a first of Tony Losi, a first of Tyler Fitzgerald, a first of Logan Wyatt. J-Rod prospect card, that's a cool one. Brady McConnell first. Jared Kalenic. Michael Bush first. Denny Reyes. We got Cody Hosey first. Josh Smith first. Royce Lewis prospect. Well, the prospects are definitely better than these firsts. Bo Phillip first. Miguel Amaya prospect. Kendall Williams first. Julio Pablo Martinez. Oh, nice. This is a cool one for me. Grant McCray. His dad, Rodney McCray, Crash, was one of our coaches at a fantasy camp last year. And he was talking about his son and everything. So I actually bought a ton of his autographs and prospect cards and all that stuff. So this is going in my PC for sure. That's considered a hit in my book, even though it's a paper card or whatever. Maybe I'll get some of those autographed by him. Leonardo Jimenez. Grant Levine. Noah Song first. Shea Langoliers first. Brandon Lewis first. All right, here comes the Chromes. We got Cameron Cannon, Jahmai Jones, a first of Ryan Nelson, Davis Wenzel first, Eric Pardinho. We got draft progression, Jake Berger, Nick Madrigal, and Andrew Vaughn. Andrew Vaughn's one of the names that we were looking for, so we'll put that up there. I think that's Andrew Vaughn again. Yep. Andrew Vaughn, the throwback, 30th anniversary. We got Connor Capel. And we got Tony Losi. All right, so I think one of these was a refractor. Yeah, this Wenzel one was a refractor. But, so there we go there. And our next one we're going to is 2022 Bowman Best. And in 2022 Best, we're looking for J-Rod, Bobby Witt, Jackson Holiday, Ellie De La Cruz, Jackson Churia, Wood, Cruz, O'Neal Cruz, Royce Lewis, and Jeremy Pena. So our first one is Gabriel Arias, rookie. We got Lubob. We got Acuna. We got Marcelo Meyer, Prospective Royalty. That's pretty cool. And we got a Lubob refractor, it looks like. Yeah. So 2 Lubobs in there. We got a Marcelo Meyer insert. We got the MVP there. '23 Chrome. We're looking for Salas, Basayo, Walcott, Francisca, Celestin, Caba, Geloff, De Los Santos, Arias. Hold on a second. Oh, Gabriel Arias. All right. Vargas and Delgado. All right. This is a good one here. He had a great postseason, Gabriel Moreno, for the D-backs. Oh, this is a Luis Robert box. There's no Luis Robert. Jackson Merrill. That's one of those Arizona Fall League cards. Nice. Another one, Carter Young. Shout out to Eloy. This is one of the kids he used to teach. That's cool. And Edwin Solano, first chrome. So I didn't get the guys on the list, but, whatever. And we're looking. So this is our last pack here. We got 2023 Chrome Sapphire. Corbin Carroll, Rushman, Henderson, Young, Yoshida, Harris, Walker, Volpe, Alvarez, Jones, Moreno, Casas, Gorman, and Green. All right, we got a card that I like in the back, Mark Vientos. So we got Miles Mastrobuoni. We got Michael Chavis, and this is such a huge checklist. Oh, nice, Hunter Brown, that's a good one. And a PC guy for me, Mark Vientos. Yeah, this is like a huge set. I think it was like 500-600 cards. They do look freaking nice, though. So, here are the noteworthy cards, I guess. We did pull 2. We did pull 2 rookies out of that. 3 rookies out of that Sapphire pack. Mastrobuoni, Hunter Brown, who's very promising. Mark Vientos. Bowman Chrome. We got Gabriel Moreno. Bowman's Best, we got Marcelo Meyer. From the Bowman Draft Jumbo, we got Andrew Vaughn, the throwback card. We got a card of Jake Berger, Magical, and Vaughn. From Topps Update, we got Bryce Harper, Golden Moments. Less than a week into his tenure, he made an all-phase impact in a 5-4 win over Arizona. He executed a tumbling barehanded catch in the 6th, tallied his first career run in the 4th, jarring the ball out of the catcher's glove. That's something you might not see much anymore, and recorded 3 hits. The last knock preceded Ian Desmond's 2-run walk-off homer. So, not a bad day for this card to be remembering. And last, we have Scott Downs, the gold chrome, the gold card out of there. The 2 cards I put off to the side for myself, Carter Young and Grant McCray. All right, everybody, that was a fun rip. Definitely stuff I don't get to open a lot of. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.